Morning has broken, like the first morning. Praise every morning of a new day, a new new moment in God's moment. Today I'm inviting you to do nothing more than to be in this moment. No thinking, no analyzing, no engaging your intellect. I invite you to do nothing but rest in God, to feel God, to see God, to hear God. I invite you to journey within, to turn inward into your inner sacred and secret place where God is, and just be. So I invite you to sit comfortably in your chair, or if you prefer, the floor, feet flat, hands on your thighs. It doesn't matter. Just be comfortable. Some people prefer to close their eyes. Some prefer a soft focus looking at nature. And again, it doesn't matter. What matters is your intention to sit quietly, clear away the cobwebs, and open yourself to a higher consciousness. Your intention, be still and draw away from the noise around us and silence the noise within us, to move into our God self. As always, let's begin with our breath to slow down and center ourselves. Breathing is our anchor. It is an affirmation of our connectiveness with all living things and our direct link to our God self. So slowly draw in a breath, deep breath, hold for a few counts, and then breathe out as slowly, a count or two longer than you breathed in. Again, breathe in, follow your breath through your nose slowly, and out through your mouth, releasing tension and anxiety. Breathe in again gently and hold. Breathe out. Your body already begins to settle and calm. Focus on the rhythmic music of your breath, sinking into relaxation. Your body knows this is your natural state. There is nothing you need to do. Only breathe in and breathe out your concerns for this moment. Let them go. As your mind slows down and your body rests, place your hand gently on your heart center. Breathe in and let go. Breathe in, breathe out, release and let God. Breathe in and be still. Being still doesn't mean be quiet. It means let go. Let go and know that I am God. As you are creating space for God, for those of you who are visual, see a brilliant shaft of light from your head to your toes, wrapping you. Breathe in and release. Become still. For those of you who sense and feel your emotions and the warmth of the bright and blazing light cloaking you, surrounding you. Breathe in and release. Become still. For those of you who are audio, listen to God's silent voice enclosing you, caressing you. Breathe in and release. Become still. As you let go and let God, you experience one with God, one with your divine essence, the divine mind. It is not you and God, it is only God. Stay here and rest in God. Just be. The still, small, silent voice of God speaks to you. It is a voice without language, yet we know God's voice. It is a light, an idea, an understanding, a swell of the heart, a sign, a feeling, a profound truth, quiet sounds to your heart. It is a voice of the mind of God that caresses, embraces, and loves you, and you alone hear it. You alone see it. You alone feel it. It is good and it is pure. It is love. Let's stay in God for the next several moments, feeling God, seeing God, listening to God. Take a deep breath in and release. And as you begin to bring yourself back to where you physically are, let me share Dorothy Pearson's words with you. I come to this quiet place and found you waiting for me, God. I hadn't heard you call. I had no seeming need at all, but I just felt guided to be still. And here you are. My heart is open to your will. Speak to me, God, for I am listening within myself. I hear you in my mind. A kind of moving as in the quiet of a forest, pleasant sounds, soft and whispering to my heart. In this place apart, oh God, thank you for the peace I feel, the sure knowing that you are here and real, and that we are one in this quiet place. Anytime, dear friends, you can enter your inner chamber, your place of tranquility, your place of light, and go into the silence and touch God. You can stay as long as you want. In the silence, God hears more than we say. In the silence, God answers more than we ask. In the silence, God gives more than we imagine. In all things, in all times, everywhere, God is.